got the deal of the week. We're going to show you another property which is over the road. Now you can see that it's quite a busy road. If you have a look, it's quite a busy street. No back garden, no real drive. These are all things that you need to consider when you're looking at property investment. It's not just the house, but everything around it. You know, obviously right on the road, no parking. So that makes it a little bit hard, and there's no parking around as well. Now the side streets to this are quite nice, but once again, you know, we'll go through the property, show you some videos, show you some pictures. The question that you have to ask yourself is this a property that you would buy to flip for capital, or is it a property that you would buy to rent some cash flow, or is this a property that you would reject for various different reasons? So something that you need to have a look at. But as you said, we'll just have a look at the area. You can see fairly nice. Once again, another property that is up for auction. Okay, so on this, you'll see the stairs, they are quite steep. So if you're looking for a family on this one, it may just be a little bit worrying, but it's on 3 floors. So you can see this has been developed. So shower room here. So you can see they've spent a bit of money already on this property, doing it up and things like that, dressing it, very nice. So not a bad little property actually. So all the work, this is one of those going to auction, but all the work has been done on this. So you'll see the pictures, all fairly good. You'll see up here, if I can just show you. Okay, all wired in smoke alarms and things like that. Okay, so been done to a good standard, but as I said, you do have to consider the stairs quite steep on both levels for younger kids and things like that. No actual rear garden, so I don't know if I can show you down there. It's like a courtyard, but you actually don't get a garden with this, and there's no front drive, so there's just things to consider on that. But a delightful little house. If the deal was right, you may be right. So questions to ask. So we've just gone through that property. Now what you'll find sometimes when you're looking at property at auction, they're not always going to be properties that are run down. They're properties that somebody's actually purchased, just wants a quick sell. So that house that we've just seen is very much a property where somebody's probably looking for a quick sale. They've done the work, just want to get their money back out and put it into another property. So you may be able to find yourself a property which is no work to do, move a tenant straight in or move in yourself, or if you get it for a good price, you could even flip it. That can happen. So what will you do? Will you buy it to flip, buy it to keep and get some cash flow, or reject and say it's not going to be a part of my portfolio? Let's play the game. Let's go shopping.
You're talking at the